gentlemen, please welcome Pule.
I thought you strictly fennec. Like strictly fennec. Gazala. Okay. Sanbonan. Dumelang. Dimadegwan. Hello one. Yeah, anyways, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Manene na manenekazi, bafowethu nabodade wethu, machita nabochiri. Oh yes. Bokleva, nabo stupid. Yeah, ngaqiniso igama lami nguPule. No, that's not a joke. No. How can you laugh at my name? Do I laugh at your name? Hello, what's your name? Billy. No, I can't laugh at your name. That's wrong. That's rude. I can't laugh at people's names unless they are funny. Some people have funny names, guys. Apparently, I was reading this in a newspaper, not Daily Sun, in a reputable newspaper. Okay, no, maybe it's reputable, but in a less entertaining newspaper. I was reading that someone named their child Vodacom Mazibuko. Vodacom! Your name is a network. It's tough for that kid, extremely tough, because he can never miss a day of school. Because the time he misses school, the teacher will be taking register, Kalabo. Tanyani, present. Siswe. Present. Timakazo. Present. Vodacom. No network. No, that's cheesy. But it's a real name. I swear it's a real name. Then you get names like Mike. No, you get names. You get names like psychology, Kumalo. I've heard of that. Repetition, Mapena. Yeah, some are slow. We're laughing like, Gwenzagalane. Angverstaan joke. Iskachambisa, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, repetition, mapena. No, ufana no echo, mkize. Yeah, and then my personal favorite, a kid called Abomination Mkabela. Nantela nas. Abomination Mkabela. At school, the teacher couldn't say the name. She went through the list like, oh my God, okay, hey Mkabela, Mr. Mkabela, are you here? The whole of his school period, he never managed it. You see, those are funny names. Billy. It's a funny name. My name is not funny. It's not hilarious, long one. It's a simple name, obvious, Pule, because I was born. Pule is my name. I was born when it was raining. So, obviously, in our culture, we call people by, children by the weather, things of that nature, of course. It's only right, I mean, really. Mara, the funny thing is that Usiswam, the time she was born, Timvula still. So, what a coincidence. But, so obviously, Kamala Kengu Puleng. Yeah. Maruputuam, the problem about my brother is that he was born while it was very hot, just extremely hot. Christmas Day, in fact. They were going to call him Jesus, but they said no. So, obviously, his name had to be Chisa. Oh, you know my He's a legend. I guess Coco out here. Chisa. Yeah, no, I guess Coco. But the problem is that it's tough for him because when people are like calling him, Ngati Bakuli quiet or something. Hey, Swagala, Chisa. Yes. Hey, Chisa man, Swagala. You can hear him singing that, ne? Chisa man, Swagala. Yes. Chisa man, Swagala.